Hey guys, happy Friday. It's going to be a short video today. We're going to be looking at some new rolling stock that I picked up for the layout. And going along with my little premise of like I'm trying to build up a sort of fleet of cars that I can run sort of in the early 90s, I guess. You know, run an SP sort of a situation. So I've picked up a few cars and even a caboose here, which we're going to take a look at here. Let's get them rolling right here. We'll run into the picture. Yeah, I'm sorry it's a short video today because I've just been busy doing a whole bunch of stuff. I'm going to be doing some traveling and stuff like that. So I'm not sure if I'm going to have a video out next week. So it's going to be a little bit slow here for the next couple weeks at least. Now I picked up this first one here is the Athearn Genesis Southern Pacific Caboose. I believe it's the 50-8 series. Built in the, well, I'm not going to say that. Well, you know when it was built. You can look it up. And then a couple of Boxcars here too. Let's slow it down a little bit there. Engineer Rick. The guys are running a little bit of an op session over here just to see how it would roll with a caboose here, meaning how we're going to be doing operations over here. Picked up these two boxcars right here. Now I did do just a little bit of weathering on them. Look at that lovely GP9. Let me back the camera up over here again. I got the sunlight shining down on top of us, so hopefully I'm trying to kind of keep the angles here so you get a good view of the cars without getting all washed out with the sunlight there in the background. But anyway, yeah, I figured I'm gonna try to at least run a couple operations here. You know, I always talk about keeping things fresh and spicy and exciting and trying different things and new things. And so the whole reason I wanted to do SP and kind of like I said, like early 90s, I guess it is, because now we got to run kind of with the caboose here. So I'm going to run a few operations over here, just kind of seeing how would we do this over here, right? So the guys are kind of backing in. They've already done their run around and came back here. They're going to drop the caboose off and do a little bit of switching here with these nice new cars. Let's go ahead and pull them out just a little bit. Looking nice. I hope everybody had a good week. Here, let's come over here. We'll watch them come by really nice and close, huh? Yeah, I hope everybody had a good week and have a good weekend and all that. I'm going to enjoy at least kind of doing some mini operations over here. Playing around with this caboose and a couple of cars and see how we do it. Like I said, these are all Athearn Genesis, the two cars and the caboose. It is the lighted one. It's not the sound one. It's got a little NCE decoder in there, so you do get the light on either side, kind of underneath there. You can just see it right there. Got the red light on either end. It's a little hokey, you know. I don't know, you know. I saw what's his face there, the Bennett guy. He was talking about his cabooses finally after a little while away, and you know, I don't know how many times I'm gonna, you know, log into or, you know, select the caboose and actually change the lights and stuff like that. I'm just gonna run it as a caboose, and whatever lights are on, you know. But hey, it was a deal because normally I think they're like $100 some odd dollars for just the lighted one, like $109 or whatever. But Lombard Hobbies had a kind of sale. They were on sale there. They might still be on sale, so go check them out. Lombard Hobbies, and I think it was $59. So I figured, you know what, that's a pretty good deal for a caboose with a couple of lights on it all, just to boot. Looking nice. Now it's got interior lights too, but they're very faint, super faint. And I've got them cranked up all the way. I kind of, you know, went in there and adjusted the CVs for it. But in the daylight here, you're not really going to see the caboose interior lights. Now, as far as weathering, the only thing I did here was paint the wheels. So they're not shiny silver, they're shiny brown here, so I still got to work on those a little bit. And I did put a flat coat of, clear coat on the caboose and both cars. Because, you know me, that shiny plastic look just don't fly. Now, we're going to weather these guys up also. And get them looking proper. Ooh, there we go. There's that sunlight washing everything out here. Let me swing you around a little bit. There we go. All right, guys, that's it for now. Just like I said, just a little update here showing you some of the new cars and things. Look forward to doing some operating sessions here with Caboose. That should be fun, huh? I did try that before with my, here, let me pick you up here, with my Santa Fe Caboose right here, which, just to kind of test it out and see how different it is, right? Look at, you can see that red light over there. It's kind of neat. Now, some of you just might say, why do you have a Santa Fe Caboose sitting over here at this, at FXI over here at the industry? Well, guess what? If you go on Google Maps and you go over to FXI, they've actually got a Santa Fe Caboose just sitting on in the back of the facility there on the tracks. I don't know if they just somebody bought it and stuck it there or what, but I figure what the heck, I just happen to have one, so I'm gonna do that. All right, guys, till next time, take care.